So this is a good one. This is a good one. I'll leave the link to this in the description box below. So, who amongst you guys spent 1.6 million South African rand just shopping on Black Friday? Just shopping online. 1.6 million South African rand. I'm not close to my calculator, but it's a decent amount even in United States dollars. Somebody spent 1.6 million just shopping on Black Friday, and somebody else also spent 739,000 shopping on Black Friday. Guys, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. See the links in the description box below. If you are looking to download free forex robots, free indicators, free courses, everything that you might need in your trading, everything that we do on this channel is for free. So see the links in the description box below. So yes, somebody swiped 740,000 South African rands on Black Friday. Somebody swiped online 1.6 million South African rands on Black Friday. I don't know yet what these guys were buying, but when this thing popped up on my news feed, I was like, wow, some guys, some cats are really living large. Forget about this talk of economic recession, of high unemployment and things like that. People really have money. By the way, I'm not judging. By the way, I'm not judging. If you worked hard throughout the year and then you decided to spend and spoil yourself, that's definitely up to you. People are working hard, guys. So I'm really not judging. Yes, some people were looking for groceries, some people were looking for essentials, some people were looking for other things, but yeah, some people were really spending. Somebody spent 1.6 million rand on Black Friday. That's like, wow. Somebody really decided to spoil themselves. I think if you read throughout the article, you see that somebody swiped their card more than 820 times. Somebody swiped their card more than 820 times on the day, just single day. 820 times somebody just swiping and tapping. Somebody was really out to spend their money, guys, and they deserve it. Of course, my immediate thought was like, is this a forex trader? Is it a entrepreneur? Is it somebody who got an inheritance from a rich uncle somewhere, a trust fund somewhere? What's really going on here? Because if, for those that probably are going to watch the video and they are not in South Africa, 740,000 South African rand is a decent amount of money to be spending just on a debit card just one day. It's a decent apartment. You can buy a decent apartment. I'm not talking about cars, I'm talking about a decent apartment. You can like just buy a decent apartment, like boom, you now have an apartment, a decent one. 1.6 million can buy you a decent house. Might not be the fanciest house, but it's a decent house that you can get for 1.6 million. So for somebody to just spend it shopping online, it's like, wow. Did this person buy a private jet, a house, a car? What was this person buying? Again, I'm not judging, I'm just saying, like, wow, people really have money. This talk of recession, things getting tough and things like that, some people really have got money. Talk about yourself. If you don't have money, talk about yourself. Some people out there really have got cash. I don't know if it's a trader. I don't know if it's a tenderpreneur. I don't know if somebody got spoiled by a rich uncle. But I don't know. I don't know the story really. But yeah, this thing just popped up on my news feed, and I'm like, wow. Let me ask you guys, who amongst you spent 1.6 million South African rand just shopping on Black Friday? Of course, you deserve it. If you worked hard for it, you deserve it to buy whatever you want, whether you're buying a helicopter, a jet, a car, a house. Wow. And I think if you read down the line, the article, you actually find that somebody bought a TV for around about 80,000 South African rand. Again, in US dollars, it might not sound like a lot of money, but in South African rand, it's a decent amount of money, guys. 80,000. Some people are not earning that much for the whole year. And somebody decided to spoil themselves with a TV for 80,000. You're like, wow, good for you, really. Good for you. So yeah, who do you think spent 1.6 million South African rand shopping on Black Friday? Who do you think spent 740,000 South African rands shopping on Black Friday? I'm curious. I'm just curious to find out. Wow, which cat did that? Just Black Friday, just one day, you 1.6 million down. Boom. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next one. I just thought, let me share with you guys. It popped up in my news feed, and I'm like, wow, let me ask you guys about this. So again, if you are new on this channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. See the links in the description box below. If you are looking to download forex robots, indicators, books, courses, everything that we do on this channel is for free. And by the way, we are in December, so if you feel like spoiling yourself, spoiling the family, you've been working hard throughout the year, go ahead and do that. There's no harm in doing that. Forex is not easy, guys. Forex trading is not easy, guys. So if you manage to get some money in and things are working out and stuff like that, enjoy your life, enjoy your profits. Otherwise, guys, I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.